My dear friends, wish you all a very happy and prosperous New Year 2021. I feel great pleasure in greeting you in my capacity as the Vice Chancellor of CS Azad University of Agriculture and Technology, Kanpur. Globally renowned a Patthar College, the premier institute serving the nation since 1893. Here, I took office on 11th February 2020, and we have many opportunities to engage each other, to work together, and to make change happen. In the wake of COVID 19, the times have become challenging for us. We have been thrown face to face with situations that had never been heard or experienced before. The pandemic has affected all our regular activities and forced us to seek new methods and strategies for survival and continue with the onward march of progress. During this time, we established sanitization tunnel and smart hand wash system, first time among all agricultural universities in India, with the mindset that our staff and student safety is our priority. With more of personal commitment and dedication to serve the human and energize our scientific community during unprecedented crisis posed by COVID-19 pandemic, we organized first paperless national web conference in India on agricultural production and support system managing COVID-19 pandemic, experience sharing and strategies during May 6 to 8, 2020. Our farmers, who are backbone of our food supply chain, for support, University continue provided large numbers of advisory services, direct contact to farmers through mobiles by scientists of all KVK to make available all technologies related to production and market awareness. We published 100 game changers success stories of farmers, Krishi Kaya Kalpika e-magazine, and more than 15,000 farmers directory. University has credit to inaugurate Anupur village as first of its kind biofortified village in India to elevate problem of malnutrition and hidden hunger in economic feasible and as permanent option. In continuation of sharing the scientific knowledge and enabling faculty up to date, we also organize 32 webinars. This year, we identified one lean seed variety and 11 technologies to enhance farmers' productivity with profitability. I can visualize the students feeling both anxious and excited and filled with dreams of bright future ahead. University takes away some pride in conducting online classes and rendered all facilities to complete their research in time and in record time. We completed UP cadet responsibility to ensure on-time admission in various degree programs. It is matter of pleasure for us to apprise that our two students have the opportunity of foreign exposure for advanced training in CIMET, Mexico. 54 students attended national training program and 4,300 students across India trained for research and subject competency advanced trainings. The web is of course integral to both internal and external communications, and early this time the main university website will be redesigned to be more attractive and more accessible to all users. We all also focus on automation and paperless work culture in university. Since our mission is to serve farming community and societies, we have a responsibility to explain what we do in education, in research and in extension in year 2021. Our focus will be on the development of high quality teaching materials, smart classroom facilities, capacity building for personality development program, enhance subject competency to qualify JRF, SRF, ARS and civil services. The excellence and diversity of our research assets across all disciplines and our intensive engagement with other organizations and farmers mean that in addition to our achievements in agriculture research, we continue to make significant contribution to innovation like in nanotechnology, biofortification and stress environment, documentation and agriculture knowledge, transmission of technology to improve the livelihood of farmers and to help drive the growth that is so vital to the Uttar Pradesh. Thank you for everything you do to contribute towards continuing success of this university. I wish you all a very happy and prosperous New Year 2021. Thank you.